In New Orleans, curb appeal is more than a nice-to-have, it's part of the city's identity. From colorful Creole cottages to stately uptown homes and classic shotgun houses, every neighborhood tells a story. One of the most effective ways homeowners enhance that story is by installing bow windows. These elegant, curved windows don't just change how a house looks from the outside, they elevate its character, charm, and overall presence on the street. A natural fit for New Orleans architecture, bow windows blend beautifully with the architectural styles found throughout New Orleans neighborhoods. Their gentle curve softens exterior lines and adds visual interest, making homes stand out without looking out of place. Whether your house features historic detailing in the Garden District or a more relaxed coastal style near Lake Pontchartrain, bow windows complement both traditional and modern designs. Unlike flat window styles, bow windows create depth on the exterior facade. This added dimension gives homes a more refined, custom appearance, something especially valued in areas where architectural details matter. Instant visual impact from the street. Curb appeal is all about first impressions, and bow windows deliver one instantly. Because they project outward, they catch the eye from multiple angles as people walk or drive by. This makes your home look more inviting, polished, and well cared for. In neighborhoods where homes are close together, bow windows also help distinguish your property from others with similar layouts. Even subtle exterior upgrades like this can dramatically change how your home is perceived from the street. Enhanced natural light that shows outside. Bow windows are made up of multiple window panels, which means more glass and more light. While the interior benefits are obvious, this extra brightness also affects the exterior appearance. Homes with ample natural light often look warmer and more welcoming, especially in the early morning or late afternoon when sunlight reflects through the glass. At night, softly lit bow windows create a cozy glow that enhances curb appeal after dark, perfect for lively New Orleans streets where evening activity is part of daily life. Customization that matches neighborhood character. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is how customizable they are. Homeowners can choose frame materials, colors, grid patterns, and finishes that align with neighborhood aesthetics or historical guidelines. This is particularly important in New Orleans, where maintaining architectural harmony is often a priority. From classic white frames that highlight ornate trim to darker tones that add contrast against vibrant siding, bow windows allow homeowners to enhance curb appeal without clashing with the surrounding homes. Added value beyond appearance. While bow windows dramatically improve curb appeal, they also signal quality and investment. Potential buyers often associate these windows with upscale homes and thoughtful design. In competitive New Orleans real estate markets, enhanced curb appeal can make a lasting impression and even increase perceived property value. For homeowners who plan to stay long-term, bow windows offer lasting visual benefits that continue to pay off year after year. A statement without overdoing it. Bow windows strike the perfect balance between subtle and striking. They add elegance without overwhelming the home's exterior. This makes them ideal for homeowners who want to elevate curb appeal while preserving the unique charm that makes New Orleans neighborhoods so special. Final thoughts. In a city known for its beauty, history, and individuality, bow windows are a smart way to enhance curb appeal while respecting architectural tradition. They add depth, light, and elegance, helping your home stand out for all the right reasons. Whether you're updating a historic property or refreshing a family home, bow windows offer a timeless upgrade that fits seamlessly into the vibrant character of New Orleans.